Tutu II has urged the government of Ghana to strictly enforce existing chieftaincy laws in Bawku, describing firm adherence to the rule of law as critical to restoring lasting peace in the conflict-hit area. Speaking at the presidency during the presentation of the Bawku Mediation Report, the Asantehene stressed that no traditional authority is above the constitution and the laws of Ghana. He noted that until the law is amended through constitutional processes or reviewed by the Supreme Court, it must be respected and enforced without exception. As chair of the mediation process, Otumfuo emphasized that impartial and consistent enforcement of the law remains essential to ending the long-standing conflict in the Kusasi traditional area. He thanked President John Dramani Mahama for the confidence reposed in him and his team and acknowledged the cooperation of traditional leaders who participated in the process. The presentation marks a major step towards peace and stability in Bawku and surrounding community. Otumfuo said Tutu II called for respect for the rule of law in chieftaincy matters.
Out of respect for my brother, the Nairi, the final resolution of the Bawku matters requires that Mr. Seydou Abagari be recalled to Nalerigu by the Nairi to be reassigned to play another traditional role at the palace of the Nairi assisted by the state. Alternatively, he may choose to stay in Bawku as an ordinary citizen of the community, but not to pose as Bawku Naba. The final recommendation, Mr. President, I recommend that my brother, the Nairi, accepts the laws as presently constituting Sigri Abugrabu Azoka as the chief of Bawku and head chief of the Kusasi traditional area. We chiefs, no matter how exalted, do not live above the Constitution of Ghana and the laws duly enacted and affirmed by the courts. Accordingly, the laws which recognizes Sigri Abugrabu Azoka must be enforced by the government of the Republic of Ghana until change in accordance with the 1992 Constitution or reviewed by the Supreme Court of Ghana. The government must enforce the laws and deal sternly with any person challenging the lawful authority of the Abugra Azoka. This is critical to the restoration and maintenance of peace in Kusasi traditional area.